For more than 175 years, SwissPost has been a trusted part of everyday life in Switzerland, connecting people, businesses, and communities. Today, that legacy is guiding our next chapter of transformation, where innovation is central to how we work and serve our communities. Part of how we are accelerating that change is through our Post of Tomorrow strategy, where digital transformation and AI in particular play a big role.
Together with Microsoft, we worked with SwissPost to co-develop an everyday AI strategy built around inclusion, governance, and continuous learning. Our starting point was Copilot Chat. It offered the simplest, most intuitive entry into generative AI with its familiar chat-based interface. Then, building off of the success of Copilot Chat, we focused on enabling the adoption of M365 Copilot across SwissPost's office workforce, supported by an adaptable and scalable change management framework and the Agent Factory.
So far, we achieved incredible engagement with more than 3,000 employees actively using Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses. We have successfully delivered more than 40 AI enablement sessions to hundreds of employees through our recent launched Copy Academy. And we've now reached a stage in our everyday AI maturity where we're actively deploying and scaling AI agents. Microsoft has been instrumental in helping us identifying high impact use cases and learn how to use Copilot Studio to prototype new solutions through hands-on workshops. On the other hand, Campana Schott has also partnered with us in the rollout of our proprietary Agent Factory, which is a framework that helps us design, test, and manage agents across the organization.
Watching SwissPost transformation has shown us what's possible when people, technology, and purpose align. I'm excited to see how SwissPost continues to build on this foundation and where the journey with AI takes them next.